This week we're working on Jessie's from Doormasters truck here. We're putting in a 12-inch Papi's lift. It's currently on a 6-inch rough country, so we're gonna get him a little bit higher and see if his 40-inch tires won't clear. First talked to Jessie about this lift last year at Dyno days. It's been about a year and finally got the lift, finally got it powder coated, and we're gonna get it in. Very orange currently, and it's gonna about to be a lot more orange.
Let me tell him one time, I've been on the grind, this my prime. Let me tell him one time, I've been on the grind, and this my prime. Yeah, I'm sorry for the wait, didn't think I'd come up, y'all just need a little faith. I've been patient, just waiting on the river with an ace. Gotta move real careful, we coming surveying the place. I touched down in your city, that's a rival. Y'all got one thing on your mind, it's survival. But if you wanna take a shot at the title, call the medic, we checking your vitals. Let me tell him one time, I've been on the grind, this my prime. Let me tell him one time, I've been on the grind, and this my prime. Let me tell him one time.
We're starting on the back because the front is gonna be such a fuck show that I want to at least feel like I got something accomplished in the next 2 days.
Are you ready? Are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the comeback? You know we the ones that ready for whatever. We gon' have to show them something, man. Let me see them hands up all the way front back. You don't understand that I'm doing what you can't with no cap. This is the return of the one. You ain't see him coming, you just heard drums. They've been ready for the battle. Any person that comes got the weight of the world on them. Yeah, they're too strong. I might have been down, not out. It's on sight, you gon' figure that out. And I might have been down, not out. Only one thing I gotta know now is, are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the Are you ready for the comeback? You know we the ones that. Let me see them hands up all the way front back. Yeah, it's the comeback.
I am removing bolts.
To remove what?
To remove the drive shaft.
To get to what?
So it's off. I am removing both of the drive shafts to pull the transfer case out so I can index it down.
Should've had it down by now. Always fucking around. Ain't got a clue. How to claim a virtue. American playboy. Should've hit the brakes. American playboy. You've been addicted to the chase. American playboy. Take a bite of the fruit. American playboy. Clinging to faded youth now. What you gon' do? What you gon'
They watch as I fall on my face. Yeah, they thinking that's all that it takes. Yeah, they going, he's out of the race. Yeah, they counting me out, but wait. I may be down today, but tomorrow they all gonna say it's impossible. Somehow we found a way. It's hard to believe that they came from around the way. It's beating the odds. Say to the mayor, I'll be number one. Let's go. Me, I'm focused to beating the drums. It's psyching me up. I believe I have won before I begun. I'll make sure next time they're biting their tongues, holding their breath and know I am the one to watch. All the dodge, all the hits that I took to become what I am is insane.
The problem is this piece that bolts into the existing coil bucket for coilovers. The coil bucket's too rounded and it doesn't sit flush. I had to make a template to get a spacer made up so we can get something machined out.